Hi, my name is David Martin, and today I'm here to show you the hinge progression to get to the two-handed kettlebell swing. Hi, etiquette. So first, you start off with your feet shoulder width apart, head up, chest up, and then you break at the hips and push your butt towards the wall. You're not going up and down as in a squat, but more forwards and backwards. So you have your chest up, shoulders down, butt back. You should feel a pull in your hamstrings when you get to the bottom of your range of motion, and then stand up. From the side, chest up, butt back, pull in the hamstrings, and then stand up. Again. Once you practice the movement a few times, come closer to the wall. I start about 6 to 8 inches away with my head up, my chest up, and I push my hips back and touch my cheeks to the wall. And then I stand back up, driving through my heels. I move out just a little bit further, chest up, butt back, stand up again. A little bit further, chest up, head up, butt back, and then stand up. Your shins should remain vertical. You shouldn't pitch forward over your toes. And it should just be butt back, not changing elevation, just forwards and backwards. Next is the bull pulling stretch. Grab a kettlebell, put it behind your butt, chest up, feet shoulder width apart, shoulders down, and push your butt back, keeping your chin up until you get to the bottom of your range of motion. Your hamstrings should be tight. You should feel a pull between your chin and your hamstrings, imagining the chin is the front of the bow, and your hamstrings and butt are the string. And then you stand up. One more time. Chest up, chin up, butt back, pushing your butt back to the wall, the end of your range of motion, and you stand up hard. You drive through your heels, flex your quads, flex your butt, and flex your stomach at the top. After this, we move on to the goat bag hinge. Grab your weight, hold it by the horns, pull the bottom of the kettlebell into your stomach, forcing you to keep your abs tight. And then we go through the same hinge motion as before. Chest up, chin up, butt back, and then stand up. Down again, and pop your hips. You're driving your heels through the floor, flexing your quads, flexing your glutes, your abs. This is a perfectly fine variety to work out with and to train with. If you're having trouble with the two-handed swing or the one-handed swing, this will still meet all of your hinge needs until you can master kettlebell swing. Now that we've mastered all the movements in the previous section, we can move on to the two-handed swing. These are the steps I use to teach the two-handed kettlebell swing. First, you place your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, head up, push your butt back towards the wall. You get in the bottom of your swing position, which is vaguely reminiscent of how a gorilla stands. The bell should be positioned about where your shoulders are so your arms can hang naturally. Then you're going to throw the bell at your groin like you're hiking a football. Once you're in the bottom position, then you stand up, driving through your heels, flexing everything at the top. At the top, it's kind of like a plank. Your quads should be flexed, your butt should be flexed, your abs, everything should be tight. You engage your lats at the top and throw the bell at your groin. The higher up, the better. You'll move out of the way, don't worry. I've never had anybody hit themselves in their groin yet. So you're here, you throw it at your zipper, moving at the last second, chin up, and then you stand up hard. You're not overextending your back. You're not looking to curve it. You just want to be straight as a rod. So it's at the bottom, stand up hard. I'll show you a couple. So, feet shoulder width apart, head up, chest up, butt back, grab the bell, break the handle, hike, the breathing is in on the way down, out on the way up. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at david.martin.sfg@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video.